Yo, guys, this thing Nandi and Uzola. I've heard before that things between Abantu by two that are married, you don't come in between. Nobody should come in between. But with this one, somebody should come in between, really. Because somebody's gonna die here. Somebody is going to die. I'm telling you. Guys, welcome to the Trending Trends. Don't forget to like and subscribe, guys. Let's talk about this one. Yo, guys, this situation, Nandi, it's and the husband, it really needs intervention, a very serious intervention, because the friend Nandi, that lawyer friend Nandi, was suggesting marriage counseling. Nandi says she's not going there. So that means it's clear that Unandi doesn't want this marriage to work anymore. The only thing that is left here is for these two to separate, and they should co-parent. They should really co-parent. There should be a co-parenting system that should be written by the lawyer or something that they should adhere to. Because I think even if there is a co-parenting plan, Unandi still gonna fight this man. Nandi doesn't like peace. That one is for sure. She doesn't like peace, guys. Indodayaga Nandi is trying. Not the way I see. Indodayaga Nandi is really trying, but Unandi is not there. And I'm very disappointed again. Abazali baka Nandi, I was thinking that maybe they can sit down and talk to both of them. But it looks like they already took sides. It looks like they already took sides. I was thinking before that, even friend Nandi, the lady friend Nandi, I was thinking before that she already took sides, because that when she was talking to Uzola, you could see that Ukulmela Nandi, but what she did today, as in calling them, sitting them down, and reprimanding both of them, I was very impressed. I didn't expect that from her, but I was impressed. Ogote, she doesn't take sides. But Nandi, guys, before Nandi unalive somebody, there should be really intervention. These two. And 40, Nandi goes and call pastor. What do they call this? What's the name of that pastor? That pastor who divorced and was a drunkard. Apparently, she trusts that pastor. She can listen to that pastor. But that pastor was in the same predicament as them. He was a drunkard. He left the wife. The church just broke apart and all that. But Nandi trusts him more than a marriage counselor. Jani, our guys, it's not like maybe I'm trying to criticize Lobabalo, but me, I think a marriage counselor would work better more than this pastor that Nandi went and looked for. Manje Unandi, very quick to take break glass and wants to. What if when she breaks glasses and busy throwing at people, she will kill somebody and go to jail? Here's Unandi, guys. Things that Nandi is doing is not on. Not according to me. Nandi is too much. Or maybe sometimes you'll say that too much, a person needs a psychiatric intervention. Umuntu needs to be admitted for a week or two just to cool down, because the way she's behaving, it's so uncalled for, really. Guys, let's meet on the other video. Bye.